Yes, hello everyone. Welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora. And in this video, I'm warning the disrespectful men who talk to your women anyhow and take them for granted. Are you new to my channel? Please subscribe and click on the notification bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. For all your fashion and clothing needs, go to Faith Peters on Instagram and Facebook. Without further ado, let's get into the video. This is a serious test to your relationship and to your marriage. You look at your woman, picture your wife, so sad, seated on the bed, drinking coffee or even alcohol. So, because you married her, made her your wife and put her in your house, you mean you can do whatever you want? You think to yourself that you gave her the one thing she wanted and that should be enough? Because you took her to the altar in front of God and in front of your family and her family, she shouldn't be questioning anything and everything you do, because after all, you married her and you gave her what she wanted. You tell her that you chose her from the pool, the swamp, and from the thousands of women that wanted you to be their husband. So she shouldn't be questioning your whereabouts at midnight or even past midnight, or even when you go and spend days and weeks without returning home. Men, you should stop expecting women to understand you every time you cheat, to bear with you every time you cheat, every time you become unfaithful. Stop telling your wives that all men cheat. Stop telling women that crap, that all men cheat. No. Good men don't cheat. The fact that you are a man who can even allow yourself to be lured by another woman, to be taken by another woman, shows how cheap you are, shows how easy you are. Good men do not cheat. If they are tired with you, they break it off and move on to another person. They don't cheat. If they are tired with you, they work on the relationship. They seek solutions for the relationship. Good men fight for their marriage. Good men don't cheat. Stop telling your woman that she can do whatever she wants. You are not bothered and you are not threatened by her, that you will keep cheating because you are a man. Do not tell your woman, do not tell your wife that if she feels bad, that you go and hang out with the boys and your friends and come back past midnight or even in the morning, that she can do the same if she wants. Do not tell her that. Reverse psychology has to stop at some point, my dear. Stop making your woman feel that she is not good enough, that she is the reason why you are cheating, why you are being unfaithful, why you are stepping out. Stop doing that. Do not play with a woman's emotions to make her feel that she is not good enough, that she is less of a woman, that to be with her you need to have another woman in order to feel complete. Women get tired too. Women are fed up. Women are hurt beyond. They get tired and hurt like any normal human being because they are just human. Those words that you throw at your wives, at your women, hurt them. They hurt them from deep within their soul. Some women are so emotionally broken that they can never recover. You tell them things like, go to hell, I'm just helping you. I helped you to marry you. Who said that you are enough? With you I cannot have one woman. I have to look for another woman. You are the reason as to why I cheat. All men cheat. Your woman catches you cheating, and the reason you give them is that all men cheat. Don't tell that trash to your woman. Don't tell it to your wife. My father had many women. Who do you think you are? You are nothing in my life. You are just a beggar in my life. I can't marry another woman like you if I'm given a chance to marry again. I can't marry you. I don't know what I was thinking when I was marrying you. Stop telling your wives those things. You pick fights so that you can get a reason to leave the house. They know those tricks. You talk to her on phone for long so that when you reach where you are going to cheat, you tell her the battery is down and you are going to charge the phone. Stop getting into fights with your woman in order to get a reason to walk away, in order to make her have those long nights alone in the house, in order to make her feel lonely, yet she is with you. Stop it, gentlemen. Those phone calls you secretly and silently make to another woman after fighting with her, showing her that you have an option, is a clear signal that she should get an option too. You cheat, you are unfaithful without remorse, and you think to yourself, let me tell her the truth. She will find out anyway. So let me tell her that I have another woman. Let me tell her that she is not alone. Since I'm the man, yes, she will know. When you tell her, she will know. She will find a way to cope. Let me tell you something. She will find a way to cope in another man's arms. Imagine if it is your mother being treated like that by your father. How would you feel? Imagine if it is your sister being treated like that, the same way you are treating your wife. How will you feel? Imagine if it is your daughter being treated like that by her man, by her husband. How would you feel? Think. Before you hurt a woman, know that she's a human being too, with flesh and blood. She was brought into this world by a woman just like you. She is human. She has feelings too. Stop hurting women. Yes, you will cheat many times, countless times, and she will find out when you haven't told her. Then you will apologize and she will forgive you. I have news for you, gentlemen. The more times she forgives you, time will come when she doesn't even care. When she has lost love for you completely. Keep having your way with let me cheat, I will apologize. She will understand. The time is coming when she won't even care, when she won't even want to know. Keep leaving her in the house alone. You are training her to live without you. You are training her and telling her that, hey, you can live without me. I'm useless after all. And when that time comes, when she doesn't give a damn about you, don't come crying. It is you building this house. As you lay your bed, so you will lie on it. The time is coming. I hope you've learned. I hope you've heard. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you'd like a counseling and guidance session, go to noraarake.com/booking. And for any of your fashion and design needs, go to Faith Peters on Facebook or Instagram. Follow them, contact them, they will have you sorted. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82, Instagram is @Iam_Nora, and Twitter is at Nora Charity. Thank you, I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.